Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new and haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do subscribe and smash that like button.
Hey, I'm Pratiksha. I'm from Aurangabad, Maharashtra.
And hi everyone, this is Devika, Pratiksha's sister, and I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra.
As you all know, this quarantine has become very boring for every one of us.
So we decided to do this very fun and creative activity by sharing cool stuff, sending gifts, and showing our love to each other.
Hope you all enjoy it.
Searching for the best things we can get.
I picked up some cute accessories for her which would go on every clothing she has so that she can get all glammed up. I did not like the doll box, so I decorated it and made it beautiful.
I wanted to add up some handmade stuff for Devika, which will be totally related to us.
From the previous videos, you guys must be knowing that my sister is a very creative person. So I had to do something creative from my side. So I made this cute little box which contained my favorite chocolates, Ferrero Rocher, which somewhere I knew that she would love them too because she's my sister, you know. I wrapped all the gifts in her favorite colored gift paper, and here are all the gifts.
So we have got our couriers. Now we will be opening it. Finally! And yay! We decided to have a video call so that we can see each other's expressions and the excitement while opening the gifts.
I tried to make a creative card for her which said pull, and when she pulled it, it opened up into a letter. That letter contained my feelings for her, and also I thanked her for doing this video with me.
Dear Anna, you are literally the best. As you have seen that I am not the most creative person, but I really tried my best to show you my love. You are my bestie, my love, my inspiration, my supporter, and the list is endless. I am so glad that you thought about doing this idea with me. I hope you liked all my present and my effort. I am always there for you. You can always count on me because you are very, very special to me. I love you, Anna. Yours, Elsa.
Pratiksha loves to pamper her skin. Like, she has recommended me a lot of products for my skin. And so somewhere I knew that the product I am choosing for her is a customized product for my beautiful girl, and it's gonna rock her skin.
This handmade box is really great. And yay! It has Ferrero Rochers in it. My favorite.
While going through different stores, I came across this nail paint color, and I know that Pratiksha likes to take care of her nails. So I got her one, and also I saw these beautiful eyeshadows, and the one color that caught my eyes was a light pink shimmer one.
Our bonding suits to the character of Anna and Elsa, so I made this card for her. Devika loves wearing shorts, so I wanted her to have one of them from my side. And she loves eye makeup, so I had a basic idea that she is searching for an eyeshadow palette. So thought, why not I should give her one. As I am crazy about beauty products, she is crazy about her health, her workout and diet. So I thought to give one of the thing which is related to her diet. This is one of the mystery item I have made for Devika from Matchboxes, which will boost her mood when she feels low. Devika lives far away from me, So I wanted to give her a piece of my creativity which she will always keep it with her, with all my feelings.
Finally, it's my birthday today, and I'm gonna open this gift given by Pratiksha. So let's open it. Wow!
When she mentioned it to me that two of the things from the gift should be mystery items, I instantly thought about giving her a birthday gift as her birthday is coming soon.
So today I will be opening one of my mystery items given by Devika. So here it is written as open it whenever you feel we both are fighting or arguing. If you think that I have been rude to you, I hope it reminds you of our good times. So yes, we have a little argument with each other. So I think this is the right time to open this gift. So let's see what is in it. Okay, I think she has made something for me. A memory box. Wow. Let's open it. Oh my god. This is so awesome. There are the memories from our first meet to the last meet till now. And this is very awesome. I have loved it. And I think I'm gonna call her now and end this argument right now.
And this is the second mystery item. Let's see what she has done. Wow, this is so amazing. There are many quotes in it so that I can never feel low. And thank you so much, dear.
Everything Pratiksha gave me was so thoughtful of her. Like from the shorts to the eyeshadow palette, from the sticky notes to the protein bar. Oh my god, she gave me everything that I needed, I wanted, everything she knew about me, everything was so related. And I'm so glad to have it in my life. I love you, Pratiksha. You're the Anna to my Elsa.
As I was opening all the gifts, I was so amazed by every single thing. I was so happy doing this challenge with her, and it was really very fun, like selecting gifts for her, and after receiving those gifts, it was all very satisfying. I enjoyed this challenge a lot. She did many creative things for me, like she knows I love memorable things, and she knew this is the thing which will melt my heart a lot. That pull-out card pulled all her feelings for me, and I literally felt to go and hug her tightly. I'm very happy to have you.
You all can also try this with your loved ones whom you're missing in this lockdown.